Hello friends. Welcome to our channel Library Facts. Today we will discuss a concept that helps in the continuous improvement of quality in any organization, and that is Total Quality Management or TQM. What is TQM? Total Quality Management, TQM, is a management approach in which all members of an organization are responsible for achieving the highest quality in their respective tasks. Total quality management describes a management approach to long-term success through customer satisfaction. Key elements of TQM. TQM is built on 4 key elements, which form the foundation of this concept. 1. Customer focus. The most crucial aspect of TQM is focusing on customers. The success of any organization depends on how well it understands and meets the needs and expectations of its customers. 4. Teamwork. Another important element of TQM is teamwork. All members of the organization work together as a team to improve the quality of the organization's services and products. Implementing TQM in libraries offers several advantages. It not only enhances the user experience, but also strengthens the reputation of the library. In today's digital age where competition is intense, it becomes essential for libraries to provide the best services to their users. Through TQM, libraries can continuously improve their services and processes, increasing the quality of their services and better meeting the needs of their users. There are some benefits of TQM like 1. User satisfaction. When a library improves its services and processes, it directly impacts user satisfaction. If users are satisfied with the library's services, they will not only use the library more often, but also recommend it to others. 2. Employee motivation. Through TQM, library staff realize that they play a crucial role in quality improvement. This boosts both their productivity and motivation. 3. Cost reduction. TQM can help libraries improve their processes, leading to reduced costs and enhanced quality of services. 4. Competitiveness. Through TQM, libraries can improve the quality of their services, keeping them competitive. How to implement TQM in libraries. 1. Staff training. The first step in implementing TQM in a library is to train the staff about it. 2. Continuous monitoring. Continuous monitoring is also vital in TQM. 3. Benchmarking. Under TQM, libraries should also compare their services and processes with those of successful organizations, benchmarking. And 4. User feedback is also important in TQM. By implementing TQM effectively, libraries can not only improve the quality of their services, but also ensure long-term success and sustainability. If you found this information useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, Library Facts. Thank you.